Libra, this is your channel messages for the 19th and 20th of June. Libra, your channel cards are human and sex trafficking and the death card. So I'm getting something about a Scorpio that is either involved in some type of trafficking ring, all right, or I'm getting something about a victim who was sexually trafficked. The body is found, you find the body, okay? This could be something about the victims who are a part of this human and sexual trafficking. Me getting the Libra or the government, them fake these people's death. Me getting whoever is this buyer and the victim, you buy these people and these people identities are taken over and then you stage them dead. I'm getting the people are not dead, but might as well, it seems that way. Because I'm getting something in government systems or something causes somebody, because I'm getting you feel like you're dead. You have, I'm getting something is at a standstill. I'm getting no communication, no calls, no texts, no emails, no response, nothing. So I'm getting something about trafficking, all right? I'm kind of getting something started with the church or something started with a pastor, all right? But I'm getting something about a Scorpio. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Libra. Libra is a justice card. Libra is also the justice system or the social system. So, no, I'll be honest with you. There's a politician here who's into buying and selling. No, I'm kind of getting a being trafficked by a politician, a big, high politician. The politician either is a Libra. If it's not a Libra, I'm getting something about him work for the government. But me getting something feel dead. Me getting no movement, nothing. I kind of want to say that somebody sex traffic you, then perform this ritual on you, and they're getting they're saying to themselves, you know, there's nothing in there. There's nothing inside of that. It only turns on and turn off. It does not require batteries. It does not require energy. It just turn on and turn off. Starvation could be something significant since the death card is here. I'm getting something about a Scorpio or something about someone's death was a hoax or someone's death was staged by a Libra. Let's go. First card out. We have the Page of Cups. Yeah, I'm getting something about this young gentleman. He's a Scorpio. Either he's uncovering this trafficking ring or he's a part of it. We have the Ace of Pentacles. Okay, I'm getting somebody's a buyer. This person want to buy you. The Ace of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles is not a lot of money, but I'm getting something about he's getting the offer to buy you. We have the High Priestess. Are they trafficking the High Priestess? I'm getting some type of monetary help, some type of money being offered to you by this Page of Cups. I'm getting somebody young, somebody under the age of 25. We have a Star card, yeah. Okay, maybe you're being trafficked for someone's son. Me getting a politician, them want you be with them son. Me getting somebody's son is infatuated with you, somebody's son likes you a lot. We have the High Priestess and the Star card. Me getting when somebody saw you, then saw you online for the first time. And me getting them listen to you. This could be something about a tarot reader or an occultist. Because the High Priestess and the Star card could be like a very famous, again, occultist, a tarot reader, a spiritual practitioner, a guru. But me getting something, you're being withheld for somebody's son. Me getting the son is younger than you. We have the Four of Pentacles, yeah. So me getting something about you're not required to work. I'm hearing you don't have to do that. Someone saying, you know, you don't have to do that. You don't have to do that. I'm not sure what you don't have to do. We're getting something about there's money here for you. But for some reason, somebody want you to work for the money that's already here for you. You have inheritance. You have access to 100 mil. But for some reason, somebody want you to work and they're going to pay you out of the 100 mil that your name is on. Like something that makes sense. Now, maybe somebody's trying to make you meet them son, but you have to meet them son in a certain setting. And the only setting you can meet them son in is some type of work. But we're getting something about like somebody's son really like you. Again, somebody might be the son of a politician or a very wealthy man. So I'm getting you're being put on hold for this guy. Maybe you're supposed to be waiting, or you're supposed to be on hold until this guy reach of age. Popular to the pop the balloon contrary, 18 is the age of consent. So is he 18? Maybe not 18 yet. Maybe I have to wait until I'm 18. We have the moon card. We have the 5 of swords. We have the page of wands. Okay, I'm getting something about brothers. We have the Queen of Wands, and we also have the Strength card. We're getting mother and son. Now, this could be something about the parents are not together. There's 2 kids. One of them kind of stay with the father, and the other one stay with the mother. I'm getting it was your father's idea for you and this girl to be together, but you have a brother. If there was a divorce, I'm getting one of the kids stay with the dad, one stay with the mom. It was the dad's idea that the one that stay with him would be with this girl. But I'm getting the wife said, no, we're going to get the girl for you. But there's something about the wife wanting to use you. I'm getting something about a Sagittarius woman. I'm kind of getting older women being paired with younger men. I'm getting women in them 30s, maybe close to 40s, being paired with men in them 20s or barely 21. I'm getting something about older women being paired. I don't know if you feel like I don't know. I'm getting somebody parents saying, well, if you want a girlfriend, the age you are, the only benefit for you to have a girlfriend is sex. Nothing else. I'm not sure if them saying because they can't provide for you. The Ace of Pentacles, that's not, I mean, you can't provide Ace of Pentacles for nobody. But we're getting something about your mother. Like your mother at work against you. Like your mother knew that you were in love with this girl and she let this girl be with your brother. For spite you because you chose the father's side during the divorce or something like that. I'm getting something you see, you want, you say, I'm going to have that soon. I don't know if you confide in somebody else, like your friend. I'm getting your friend end up get it before you. Or your friend snatch it on the, like your friend snatch it behind your back. I'm getting something about a Leo. We have the Ace of Pentacles again. Or you loan somebody something and the person was supposed to give you back, they never gave you back. I'm getting like something is copywritten. But I'm getting it's rightfully for the Cancer. I'm getting whatever this is, it was rightfully supposed to be for the Cancer or the Scorpio. It wasn't supposed to be for the fire sign. I'm getting the fire sign only get it because, again, maybe you with your father, and you know, men thoughts are slower than women. Women think much faster than man. So I'm getting your mother, she thought about an idea faster than your father because she's a woman, about this woman. We have the Emperor. Yeah, that's your father. So if you see your father here. No, I'm getting your father have something copywritten. Your father have something. Me getting you see something and you say, oh, I want that. And your father is like, okay, save up to buy it. You'll get it for Christmas. Me getting your father already reserved it already. No, maybe your mother or whoever this is don't know that you already been reserved. Like you're reserved starting December. So anything before December, anybody can buy your trade, your sell you, or whatever this is. Me getting something is, because me getting this, the Leo and the mother, me getting them saying that yes, we took this from this person. But me getting something is reserved me getting something is reserved starting in December. After December, after August, after November, something will no longer be available. It's exclusively yours. We have the moon, we have two moon and two ace of pentacles. Yeah, me getting the page of wands don't know something rightfully belongs to you. Them don't know you own it. We have the eight of wands. Me literally getting your mother and father fight over this girl. Me getting your mother and your father. Me getting two brothers. And both of them, because them don't like each other, is trying to spite each other. I don't know what this is. Me getting something about the high priestess is on the line. Or this is celebrity, this star. Me getting something has already been given to the water. Me getting him have it. Me getting your father did something. Like the Queen of Wands is saying, okay, we will get her to come. Like the Queen of Wands is saying, okay, we will book her out for this month. But me getting your father already buy her. Or something like that. Human and sex trafficking. There's no bad cards here. But me kind of getting the Queen of Wands. She kind of vindictive. Like, even though you're telling your mom you like this girl, that don't stop your mom from criticizing her, from abusing her, from treating her a certain way. But me getting your father is way more gentle. I could see why he divorced her. One more. We have the Queen of Pentacles. Me getting somebody don't know, says somebody already is yours. It belongs to you. You don't know either. The mother don't know, the brother don't know, but the father already made a deal. We have Ace of Pentacles 2 times, the Moon card 2 times. Maybe there's something that's supposed to be shared. No, I'm getting you don't want to share nothing. I'm getting out of the two brothers, the water sign actually want it more. And the water sign will be more appreciative of this. I'm getting the Page of Wands want it, maybe because of what it can boost them status. Because I'm getting the Page of Wands is very much like your mother. But they're more of the mentality of doing things for show, doing things for the neighbors, doing things because, you know, they want to be talked about. I'm getting the water sign who does not speak a lot. Him don't even have any friends. I'm getting him willing to spend money on it. I'm getting the Page of Wands and his mother might use influence. Hi, you know who we are? So since you know our names, we're assuming that you're going to do this for us because, you know, everybody knows us. I'm getting the water sign. He will save up all our money and spend on this, whatever this is. We have religious agenda. We have Leo. Yeah, me getting the Leo say is mine. I have it is mine. Ha. Me getting it already reserved for the water sign, whatever this is. We have Tuesday. We have Friday. Okay. Is something supposed to be rotated? We have Secret Society. And we also have the soul was sold. Or I'm getting the High Priestess was already sold. To a Scorpio. I'm getting somebody saying you just have to wait a few more. You have to wait a little. The mom is saying that the son can get it now. But me getting the son that's with the father is saying, no, you have to wait. That's not how you do things. You have to wait a little bit. I'm going to leave it here, Libra. Until next time. Bye.